I just finished cleaning up my room and I already feel like much better. So the plan for now is I'm currently oiling my hair, and after that I will go have my dinner in the mess, and uske baad I'll take a shower, and then we'll see what we're gonna do. Hi. I can't talk very loudly. It's because my roommate is sleeping. I don't know from where I found this random book. So I thought, why not color this thing? And I think when you're doing something that you like something artsy, it just, your mind is blank. Like your whole mind is in that thing. And yeah, I think it's pretty nice and I felt better. I feel better now. I think this is your sign. If you're not feeling very well, just know that you will get out of that place. Do the things that you like, whether it's painting or coloring or writing, journaling, whatever it is. Do the things that you like and I think you will do good. It's still raining, by the way. Okay, so I think with that I should end the video because tomorrow I have to wake up really early because we are going for a post-mortem visit tomorrow and I'm pretty excited for that. It will be fun. We'll see how to make post-mortem reports and everything. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like the vlog, please comment down below. It would really mean a lot. Don't shy, just comment down whatever you liked. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, bye.